Hare Krishna. So, good evening po sa inyong lahat. So, nandito po kami ngayon sa, sa Muñoz, Roosevelt Station. So, papunta kami ngayon ng Vito Cruz. So, nabigyan tayo ng chance to, to share our philosophy ng Krishna Consciousness, teachings. Alright, so, 45 minutes lang. So, medyo masama pa yung pakiramdam ko para tatrangkasuhin. So anyway, I will talk about Bhakti Tattva, the philosophical truth about Bhakti. So, guys, this is my Guru Seva. Alright? Wala nang iba pa kundi service kay Gurudev. So, represent ko ang Vidyalang Karvani. Alright? So, dito to kami ngayon. Haribol. Alright, so ngayon lang ako sumakay ng train ulit for a year. Yata, taon na yun, 2 years na yata, 3 years. Parang bago yata yung trend nila. Medyo maluwam na. Alright. So, ayun guys. So, wala akong qualification talaga to, to do Guru Seva. Kasi itong, pag sinabi pa ng Guru Seva, that is service to Gurudev. Alright? So, and Guru Seva is hindi siya activity ng ordinary, like devotee lang. So Guru Seva is the activities of such sishyas, bona fide disciples. So wala talaga akong qualification. So but anyway, wala lang. Guru Seva, ito arrangement ni Krishna so what to do? So ayun, whatever I've learned, I've heard, I will just repeat it. Alright? So, ayun. So, ano ba itong ginagawa ko? Guru Seva ba ito? Hindi, basta. Anyway, basta Guru Seva na. Tawagin mo na lang Guru Seva. Guru Seva Abhas. Pag sinabing Abhas, semblance lang. So, siguro ito, Guru Seva Abhas. Alright? So, ayun. And, kita-kita tayo doon. Vito Cruz, matagal pa. Ilang station pa yan? Mga 7? 15? Ang layo pa.
Paano ba to? Saan? Ayan. Uy! Hindi ako. Insert. Alright. Ganun pala yun. Hirap. Bili mo na tayong tubig. 7-Eleven. Water. Kailangan natin ng water. Because ikaw, ano mo? Tubig lang? Ako tubig lang Wala yung Red Horse. Red Horse view. Ito ang tama. Gatorade. Ayan o, puti.
Malaki siya
Laki nga mag-water lang ako. Distilled water. Ito. Hindi kasi masama pakiramdam ko nga Ikaw. Ako na.
Ikaw nagbayad kasi walang mariwan.
Okay, sige. Haribol, so andito kami ngayon sa may elevator. Saan tayo? 21 floor. 21 and 21 floor. Alright? So, 8, 9, 10, ayun. Kita ba? 11. Malapit na. Dito kami ngayon sa sa Legazpi Tower 300. Alright? So, ayun. First time ko sa ganito. Nakakaano. Ano kayo meron dito? No? Ano kayo meron dito? No? Parang mga office, no? And 21M na. Naano talaga pag elevator. Okay. Haribol.
Naririnig kaya nila ako.
Brother Jamal, it's a long time brother. And then we have to acknowledge the presence of Brother Ali Surani from Australia. And then we have our brother from HARE KRISHNA, if I'm not mistaken, who was before a former born again, who was born again family, and then after maybe he converted to HARE KRISHNA. Maybe he can explain. And he had a debate with Salafi last week or
Last week.
last week. And then they wanted to know about the line of Shia Islam. And then maybe we have to give them a short lecture for 15 minutes, or rather we have the table.
Hare Krishna. Om Magyanan Timirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chaksurun Militang Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Guru Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Madhava iti namine Sakshat Guru Seva Murtai Shabda Brahmani Pratishtitaha Patita Pavan Charitraya Narayanan Priyoho Namaha Vancha Kalpatarvasya Kripa Sindhubhai Vacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Bhaktya Vihina Aparadalakshay Kiptascha Kamaditarangamadde Kripamaitang Sharanang Prapanna Brinde Namaste Charanarvindam Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti He Krishna He Yadava He Saketi Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So first of all, I offer my respectful humble obeisances to the lotus feet of my worshipful Srila Gurudev Om Vishwapad Astuta Srimad Bhaktivedanta Madhav Goswami Maharaj, and to all our Sri Gaudiya Rupanuga Guru Parampara, and to our brother Muslims. It's okay, brother Muslims. Offer my respectful obeisances to you all. So, thank you so much. You have given me a chance to speak to share the teachings of Krishna Consciousness. So these teachings of Krishna Consciousness is so vast, and I will just focus on the topic of what is pure devotion according to the teachings of the Vedas. So there are so many kinds of devotion. So, but now I will describe what is the nature of pure devotion. So before we proceed, I will first describe some of the
some other kinds of devotion, that is karma mishra bhakti, gyan mishra bhakti, yoga mishra bhakti, and so on. So karma mishra bhakti means this devotion that is filled with or mixed with selfish desires, material desires. Like for example, if I worship God because I want personal things like this, a good health, maybe a wealth also, like this. This is this karma mishra bhakti means the devotion that is mixed with fruitive, like fruitive devotion, like this, you know, like fruit reward seeking activity. Yeah, karma mishra bhakti means the reward seeking activity. Oh, gusto kong pumunta ng church because I want my mother, father to be good, healthy, ganun. Like praying like this. That is karma mishra bhakti. And also in the Vedas, it also describes about gyan mishra bhakti. Gyan means speculative knowledge. This is impersonal knowledge. And their devotion is to study the scripture, and they engage in debate as their devotion, like this. And their goal is to merge in that light aspect of the Supreme Lord. We call it the Nirvishesha Brahma. So and also in the Vedas, Gyan Mishra Bhakti is also described. Yoga Mishra Bhakti. Yoga Mishra Bhakti means this is like the practice of meditation, like exercises, the yoga, like this. And their devotion is like, they to meditate, cleanliness, like this. So now we will proceed to the nature of Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotion. So in the Vedas, it is said, Anya Bhilashita Shunyam Gyan Karmadi Anavritang Anukulyena Krishnanu Shilanam Bhaktir Uttama. Anukulyena Krishnanu Shilanam Bhaktir Uttama. That topmost devotion, or that the nature of that pure, spotless devotion is that Anya Bhilashita. It is not filled with any kind of desires, even salvation, even the desire to go to the abode of God, like this. No? Even though the liberation in the Vedas, it's like it refers to the freedom from the cycle of birth and death, reincarnation, like this. To be liberated from the sufferings of this world, like this. So Anya Bhilashita means the desire, the desire that that is like aim for our own happiness, like this. No? So Anya Bhilashita means the devotion that is completely shunya. It is completely devoid of any kind of material desires, of any kind of selfish desires, even the desire of salvation, even the desire for liberation, the desire for worldly achievements or worldly things, like this. Anya Bhilashita shunya. And that is pure devotion. And Anya Bhilashita shunyam Gyan Karmadi Anavritam. Gyan Karmadi, Gyan means knowledge, speculative knowledge, like this, speculations. Karma means reward-seeking activities. Yoga means like meditation, like this, and so on. And marami pang iba, like this. And so Gyan Karmadi Anavrita. Anavrita means it is not covered. It is not covered with speculative knowledge, aiming to merge in that Nirvishesha Brahma, that the light aspect of the Supreme Lord, and reward-seeking activity, karma, and yoga, and so on. So that pure devotion is completely free from all kinds of these mixtures, like this. So anukulyena krishnanu silanam. That pure devotion is like like if you pour honey, pag magbubuhos ng honey, di ba? It continuously flowing. Like this. Na-try nyo na magbuhos ng honey? Di ba? Malapot siya. Then, it continuously flowing. So, devotion, the nature of pure devotion is performing devotional activities, worshiping the Lord 24 hours a day. 24 hours a day. And as we can see, it is not impossible. 24 hours. Not remembering anything in this world. Like this. Even not remembering who you are. Your material designation. Oh, I am Filipino. I am Chinese, Japanese, etc. So, if we say 24 hours a day, worshiping God, remembering God, that means our heart is completely pure without any contamination of any kind of material desires. That is pure devotion. Shuddha Bhakti. So, this is the teachings of Krishna Consciousness. So, so now we have the description of this pure devotion. And by performing this, by the performance of this devotion, it is completely beyond any kind of material designation. Sarvopadi vinirmuktang yat parattvena nirmalang hrishikesa sevanam bhaktir uchyate. Sarvo upadi. Upadi means material designations like, I am Filipino, I am Christian, I am Hindu, I am, I am musician, I am capitalist, I am anarchist, I am atheist, I am theist, I am a philosopher, like this, no? Material designations. Like, ito yung the false bodily identification that is focused only into this gross body, like this. So, upadi means material designations. Sarva means all kinds of material designations. Even the animals, like this. I am cat, I am dog. So, sarvopani vinirmukta. Vinirmukta means completely beyond these all kinds of material designations, false bodily identification. Sarvopadi vinirmuktang yat parattvena nirmalang. And it is completely pure and spotless. Walang halong mancha, di ba? If we say a white cloth, if you put a small dot using itong ball pen, small only, then you can see the spot, white cloth. You can see the dot. So the pure devotion, the nature of pure devotion is completely pure without any spot or without any mixture of any kind of material designation, like this. Okay? And Hrishikena sevanam bhaktir uchyate. And that devotion is the performance of activities, the performance of worship that is pleasing to the Supreme Lord. That means, minsan, nakikita natin, we are performing devotion because of sense gratification. Sa Krishna Consciousness, no? If magbibigay sila na, meron kaming prayer bead for meditation. No? And, nakakaramdam ako ng anxiety. I should chant the holy name. Like this. It's for only sense gratification, no? So, even the performance of devotion, we are longing for something for ourselves. That is not pure devotion. Hrishikesa sevana means to serve and to satisfy the senses of the Supreme Lord, like this. Then, that is called bhakti, bhaktir uchyate. That is called pure devotion. And etong pure devotion na to is hindi lang sa religion, ay hindi lang sa duty ng mga Hare Krishnas, ng mga Christians, ng mga Muslims, ng mga Hindus, ng mga Buddhists, or even ng mga atheists or theists. No? Etong pure devotion, Shuddha Bhakti, is sarva dharmang parityajya, sarva dharmang parityajya, the verse. Nakalimutan ko yung verse from Srimad Bhagavatam, sorry. So, the meaning of the verse is that, this pure devotion is the function of all living entities. It is beyond religion. All right? It is completely beyond religion. No? Beyond division. Jivera Sarupai Krishna ni Tadas Krishna Tatas Shakti Veda Veda Prakash. We are all souls. We are not this body. Hindi tayo itong physical body. And we are all soul. And the nature of the soul is to be an eternal loving servant of God. So, since service is the function and the nature of the soul, therefore, this pure devotion is universal. It is our function. It is completely beyond the division, no? Minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng division, like, oh, Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, no. So this is the ideal concept of unity in diversity sa Krishna Consciousness. We do not, hindi kami nagdi-discriminate whether, oh, hindi ka pwede sa amin kasi you're a Christian, or you're a, wala kang pera or anything. You're a Filipino, Chinese, no. We are open. And actually, anyone can visit the temple. we warmly, how say? Ang tawag doon? Welcome our visitors also. So, etong Krishna Consciousness is beyond. Etong Krishna Consciousness is beyond the material designations. Beyond the bodily identification. No, I am Filipino, I am Chinese, I am Christian, I am Muslim, I am Buddhist, I am everything na. No? So, etong Krishna Consciousness is not, have no, covering, boundaries. Like, so, and also, in relation sa dahil nasabi din ni brother, 5 minutes conclusion. Yeah. So about unity and diversity, this is a very short analogy of a moon. So if we go outside the outer space, makikita natin yung moon is circle, no? But pero pagdating, if we are here on Earth, we see the moon appears like a full moon, half moon, quarter moon, For some reason, the moon appears in different phases. But actually, if we go to the outer space, the moon is unchanging, non-moving. So in the same way, ito yung changsa kalaha Krishnas tu Bhagavan Swayam. The Supreme Lord has so many manifestations like this. Like if the Supreme Lord will manifest in your heart according to the mood of service the mood of worship or service you want Him to give, like this. So in Christianity, the Supreme Lord manifest is as Jesus Christ or Yahweh, or according sa teachings ng Vedas, no? And sa Islam, sa mga Muslim, it appears as Allah. And sa Buddha, sa mga Buddhist, appears as Buddha, like this. But all these gods are truth because it came from the truth. Okay? So we are not saying that, oh, Allah is not true God, Jesus Christ is not true God, Buddha is not true God. No, we accept them as true God because they came from the absolute truth. Ito yung sa kalaha Krishnas tu Bhagavan Swayam. But the supreme absolute truth, who is that moon? That is Krishna Chandra, the moonlight Krishna. So from Krishna, he manifests in different aspects of God. I forget the verse. So anyway, this is so for us in Krishna Consciousness, we see that the worshipable Lord of every religion is true God. We don't see any faults in it. So this is our vision of unity and diversity. Hare Krishna, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for sa time, and hopefully I delivered it in I'm not a good speaker actually, so I'm just sharing what I've heard. Okay, Hare Krishna. So I can also maybe have 1 or 2 questions, then I can. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
And then next we have our brother from our
Bukas may
Paano ka napako? Jesus.
Pauwi na kami.
Hare Krishna. Alright, so pauwi na kami. Ayun, it's, anong oras? Wow, tara, ang ganda ng relo. Ching! Ha? 9:15. 9:15 or 10? Baka, and so, maikli lang yung talk natin ngayon. And, pero nag-usap kami, baka magkaroon kami ng dialogue sa June. Okay, so hopefully matuloy yun. Ang topic namin is about sa consciousness, the nature of consciousness in relation sa teachings ng Islam at sa teachings ng Krishna Consciousness. So, yun ang topic namin about consciousness. Alright? So, and guys, so maraming salamat sa mga nag-follow, sa mga nag-subscribe, and see you again sa susunod na video. Radhe Radhe!